In this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram bot not working. First of all, open the Telegram application. Ensure that you are logged into your account and you are on the app's home screen. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. A side menu will appear. Look for the settings option and tap on it. On the next screen, under the settings section, tap on the data and storage option. Next, locate the storage usage option and tap on it. On the next page, you will see details about the space Telegram is using on your device. Tap on the clear cache option. Sometimes it happens that a lot of data gathers in the cache. Clearing it won't delete any of your personal files or account data, but it helps improve the app's performance. So tap again on clear cache for confirmation. This action will free up space and potentially resolve issues caused by cached files interfering with Telegram's performance. The next step is to completely close the Telegram app. Wait for a few seconds and then reopen it. Once it gets refreshed, test your bots again. They will be working smoothly now, and this is how you can fix Telegram bot not working.